Introducing Acowebs Shopeo shoppable videos. Social media has become one of the most powerful ways to showcase products. Shoppers discover new brands through engaging videos on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and other social channels. But why stop there? What if you could bring your social media videos directly into your Shopify store and turn them into an interactive shopping experience like storefront video or video playlist on collection page? With Acowebs Shopeo, you can easily import videos from your social media platforms and display them on your storefront. Let's see how you can create a premium shopping experience with Shopeo.
Let's click on the Videos section. This will open the Videos page where you can add videos for tagging on the products. Click on the Import from Social Media option and choose the media you need to upload. Then enter the username of the account and browse the account to fetch the video. Choose the videos that you need to import from the listed ones. Click on the Import option to import the selected videos. Then the videos will be uploaded to the app, which you can use for the adding to the products. You can start using the videos once the status changed from processing to ready. Click on the Tag Products button to add the videos to the products. Choose the products which you need the videos to be added. Navigate to the Playlist section and click on the Manage Playlist button to add videos as playlist. Click Add Videos button to add the imported videos as a playlist. Select the videos from the list and then click on Add Video button to add them to the playlist. Once adding the videos, copy the playlist ID for adding the video block on the product page. Click on Edit button to open the edit page of the store. Select the Add section button from the template. Click on Videos by Playlist. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to see the block. Click on Videos by Playlist and scroll down to the bottom of the page to see the video block added. Paste the playlist ID on the field to import the playlist on the page. You can change the display mode from the video block control panel. Now, navigate to the product page. Then choose the Add section button from the product information section of the templates to add the video on the product page. Choose the video on product page and change the position of the video block by drag and drop method. Click on Save button to save the changes made. Navigate to the shop page to see how the videos block works on the product page. The playlist video is being displayed in block on the collection page. The video will start playing once you enter the product page. You can buy the product while watching the video using the Add to Cart button. Clicking the product image will open up the independent product page, which encloses of the assigned video and Add to Cart button. The cart page will list all the added products added to cart using the app.
And that's it. With Acowebs Shopeo, you can showcase every detail. Thanks for watching.